Hey guys, this is Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for joining me in the shop today. So today we are going to turn this old dining room table into this.
I lost the footage of those two longer supports, but I'm just making the center support, and it has a groove with the trim. So I'm going to go over to the table saw and cut a groove. Making this sacrificial fence really easy. This hot glue gun from Ryobi works really well. I highly recommend it. I use that glue gun on a lot of different jobs. So yeah, all I'm doing is cutting a groove in here to fit that trim so that it fits flush against that bottom table leg.